Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for this adjustable pillow. I'm super excited for this. I'm going to go ahead and open it and I will tell you more about it. Okay, that was very tightly wrapped. Oh, that's pretty nice. So this is machine washable, which is lovely. And it does have a zipper, so you can adjust how much fluff you want in here. It has a nice little like cloud embroidered design on it. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but there is a zipper here on the side. And you can remove some of this if you want, if you don't want it that thick. But I happen to like pretty thick pillows. I cannot sleep on a pillow if it's too thin. I hate hotel pillows, for example. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out and give you my thoughts on it. It did say once you open it, since it was wrapped so tightly, to let it rest for 24 hours. That way it could kind of fluff up naturally and then you're good to go. So here's what the pillow looked like after I let it rest for 24 hours as suggested. So it's nice and full, and I did sleep pretty well on it. And I let Jackson test it out, and he ended up confiscating it. It's much thicker than his pillow, so he really likes this one. So now it's a part of his bed, and there he is enjoying it. So if you guys would like to purchase one of these, I will put a link below where you can find them on Amazon. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.